Hello and a warm welcome to another workshop about the MOBOTIX Cloud. Today we like to get a deeper focus on the video search. That video search is an AI-based cloud video search functionality which categorizes the existing footage in the cloud based on today two object categories, persons or vehicles. This allows the user to make two type of searches. One search option is to say I'm looking for white car. Oh, misspelling here. I'm searching for white car. And suddenly we got all the result with white cars in it. If we go there and say, okay, this is a black car, why you say it's a white car, get on there. Yeah, this is a black car, we can see it. And the white car, there are the white car. There's a white car and there's a white car. So you see how the algorithm works. He found the image and he categorized all objects based on person or vehicles immediately. And in addition, we can also see that if we click on that scenario, yeah, we have here the black car, we have here the white cars, silver cars, and blue cars as well in the screen. Yeah, and we can see on that history diagram, we see all that colored blocks. Each one of these blocks represents an hour of the day, of the last 24 hours. And based on the color intensity, we can recognize a darker blue has more detected results. They call it key images, 10 key images in this case, as a lighter blue block in that histogram line. Here we can see it's only detected one key images in the time between 4 and 5 o'clock. The 2 hours before there was 0 key images detected, yeah, and then that hour before there was only 2 key images detected, and in that hour before there was also already 5 key images, yeah. And here we can see also there was 15 key images. There was a lot of traffic. What was happening on? Click on it, get there, and then we can get with the arrows through that 15 different detected events. If we're clicking here on the time selection, we got also an overview. Was there any kind of white cars in the last 7 days? Yes, on every day there was some detection with white cars. Yeah, we can select then a day, yeah, and then we got immediately the results from the 28th of the month, yeah, and can get through it and search for the specific moment where it was detecting a white car. Even in that worst scenario, we can recognize this is the white car and this is a person. So the algorithm try to make his best even when the image quality is not so good and the light condition is horrible. So if we want to define, instead of using this functionality where we also can say person with red shirt, and then we're also getting the detected persons which carrying a red shirt. And if we select on it, and then immediately we get the information, it's a male in a red upperwear. Yeah? Such kind of information we can get also very quick. If we're searching, for example, for a truck, let us see if we can find here some trucks. I assume this will be recognized as a white truck. Yeah, it seems like that it's here more the truck detection. Yeah, that is also possible if we go into that. This is a silver truck. Yeah, at least he's detecting the bigger cars, let us say, as trucks. If we want to search not by this natural speech search, we have also the possibility to say, okay, I'm looking for a bus. I'm looking for blue bus, or blue bus maybe not so many in this scenario. Maybe I'm choosing here a car is more common in that scenario. Yeah, and then we can also search here for red cars to see if we can find here some red car. Yes, there's a red car, and there's a red car, and there's a red car. Okay, it's working. and we can also search in the future by make. Today it's searching for any models of the manufacturer of the cars. This is what we can use here very quickly. Yes, one thing I forgot. Of course, we can switch between the different views. Yeah? And we have the possibility to say, no, I want to delete this search filter immediately and getting back to a new search. And then we can start with a new search filter immediately. I hope that was providing you a nice overview what we can do today. And keep in mind, these are only the first two object categories. Additional object categories will follow, and we will then update soon that to your cloud account. Thank you very much and have a good day.